In this aid, we will voice our genuinely own and market's perspective on EPS future while talking about the Ellipsis cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, very alone anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Ellipsis, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, how about we head into it, which is genuinely huge. Before we dig most certainly profound into the Ellipsis value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that EPS is a very wise speculation or not, for what reason will EPS sort of succeed or in every practical sense, come up short, or for what reason will Ellipsis value rise or drop, we should rapidly basically toss a look at what EPS in every way that really matters is and its to-date history in a by and large enormous manner. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable really bear market, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin essentially has drooped half from its untouched for the most part high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into significantly more genuinely stable business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous essentially play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year in a significant method of some sort or another. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin sort of necessitates to find an especially nearby base before we can move the other way and fundamentally alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will fundamentally begin to do likewise. We basically have seen this situation many generally times in the removed and sort of later history. Our cost expectation model most certainly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which is genuinely huge. We most certainly expect whales and sort of other a lot greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike in an unobtrusive manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task, which is genuinely huge. Ellipsis price prediction 2022 in an unpretentious manner. Most of specialists concur that this fundamentally bear market will kind of endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner, or so they thought. Beneath basically is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 24.64%, $0.1400 in an unpretentious manner. 2022 November minus 39.40%, $0.1126 in a very significant manner. 2022 December minus 28.95%, $0.1320, or so they sort of thought. 2023 Jan minus 20.53%, $0.1477. 2023 February minus 18.61%, $0.1513, which is genuinely critical. 2023 Mar minus 14.35%, $0.1592. 2023 April minus 2.18%, $0.1818, which sort of is genuinely critical. 2023 May minus 2.37%, $0.1814. 2023 June plus 7.48%, $0.1997 in a significant manner. 2023 July plus 3.60%, $0.1925, which basically is very huge. 2023 August plus 17.09%, $0.2176, which by and large is very huge. 2023 September plus 18.80%, $0.2208. EPS price prediction 2025, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Our forecast model sees EPS coming to $0.3679 in 2025, which is genuinely critical. What will EPS explicitly be worth in 5 years in a by and large enormous manner? The cost of EPS in 5 years could lie around $0.3378. Ellipsis price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Ellipsis will be in every practical sense, worth in 2030, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Our determining model sees the Ellipsis coming to $0.9199 in 2030, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. What Ellipsis will be genuinely worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees the Ellipsis coming to $1.84 in 2040. Will Ellipsis supplant, most certainly outperform, especially overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Ellipsis won't generally supplant or surpass BTC, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Might Ellipsis at any point truly reach $1? Indeed, Ellipsis can reach $1 toward the finish of 2022. Might Ellipsis at any point reach $10 in an unpretentious manner? Indeed, it is conceivable that Ellipsis can reach $10 yet just in a removed future, after 2030, which for the most part is very critical. Might Ellipsis at any point reach $100 in an unobtrusive manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Ellipsis to reach $100 in every way that really matters, short or midterm period. Could Ellipsis at any point for the most part reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Ellipsis to basically reach $1,000 in the exceptionally short or midterm period, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Ellipsis in every practical sense worth purchasing, which especially is genuinely critical? We in every practical sense are promoters of decently hazardous money management, by and large contribute the majority of actually your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of sort of enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Ellipsis in every practical sense, is somewhat worth purchasing in a significant way. Is Ellipsis a generally excellent speculation? Ellipsis is, very much like all exceptionally other cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous interest in an extremely significant way. It truly does especially have a lot higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the genuinely great use case, very much planned tokenomics, essentially dynamic local area and a sort of strong group behind it in an unpretentious manner. How in every way that really matters, much will Ellipsis be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.1126 in every practical sense, large way.